Hey there, smartphone users. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be exploring some common smartphone issues that you might encounter in 2023 and, more importantly, how to troubleshoot them. So, let's dive in and get your devices back to peak performance. Segment 1, Battery Drainage. One of the most frustrating issues is rapid battery drainage. To troubleshoot this, 1. Check battery usage. Head to your settings and review which apps are consuming the most battery. 1. Close or uninstall any power-hungry apps. 2. Disable unnecessary features. Turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or location services when not in use. 3. Adjust brightness. Reduce your screen brightness or enable adaptive brightness to conserve power. 4. Check for battery health. Some devices offer battery health stats. If it's degraded, consider getting a replacement. Segment 2, Overheating. Is your smartphone getting too hot? Let's cool it down. 1. Close background apps. Running too many apps can cause overheating. 1. Close unused apps from the multitasking menu. 2. Limit gaming or heavy tasks. Intensive tasks can generate heat. 2. Take breaks or lower settings while gaming. 3. Remove phone case. Thick cases can trap heat. 3. Removing the case can aid in cooling. 4. Check for software updates. Manufacturers often release updates to fix overheating issues. Segment 3, Slow Performance. Lagging and slow performance can be frustrating. Here's how to address it. 1. Clear cache. Over time, app cache can slow things down. 1. Clear cache in your settings. 2. Remove unnecessary apps. Uninstall apps you no longer use to free up space and resources. 3. Restart your phone. Sometimes, a simple restart can work wonders. 4. Factory reset. As a last resort, perform a factory reset to start fresh, but back up your data first. Segment 4, Connectivity Issues. Trouble connecting to Wi-Fi or mobile networks? Let's fix that. 1. Airplane mode. Turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. 2. Restart your router. If Wi-Fi is the issue, try restarting your router. 3. Reset network settings. On your phone, reset network settings to default. 4. Check for updates. Ensure your phone's software is up to date for the latest bug fixes. Segment 5, Unresponsive Touchscreen. A non-responsive touchscreen can be worrisome. Try these steps. 1. Clean your screen. Dirt or debris might be interfering. 1. Gently clean your screen with a microfiber cloth. 2. Remove screen protector. Sometimes, a worn-out screen protector can cause touch issues. 3. Restart your phone. As always, a restart might work its magic. Segment 6, No sound or audio issues. If you're facing sound problems, let's troubleshoot. 1. Check volume settings. Ensure your volume is turned up and not on silent mode. 2. Headphone Jack and Port. If you use headphones, check if they're faulty or the port is clean. 3. Reset audio settings. Reset audio settings to default in your phone's settings. Segment 7, Camera Problems. Having trouble with your camera? Let's try to fix it. 1. Clear camera cache. Clear the cache for the camera app in your phone's settings. 2. Restart your phone. A quick restart might resolve camera glitches. 3. Update camera app. Check for updates for the camera app through your app store. There you have it, troubleshooting common smartphone issues in 2023. I hope these tips helped you get your phone back on track. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more useful tech content. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.